Figure. It's been my most anticipated for a while, and I was extremely excited when I got the email saying that it would ship earlier than I thought. The only gripe I have with this figure is that the right arm, as you can kind of see here, it has this, the material on the forearm has this weird buckle type thing. It doesn't really attach all that well. Uh, Not to mention that the fact that the sleeve is super baggy, so you kind of have to tuck it into that forearm band, and it kind of causes it to pop a little bit, pop out like you can kind of see here. In reality, that's probably the only reason it does that is because the material on the sleeve is so baggy. But that's really my only problem with this figure. And I didn't do that well of a job hiding it, but it's really not that noticeable unless you kind of look for it and point it out. But other than that, the face sculpt is amazing. Looks just like Aiden Christensen. It's really spot on. Overall, I still give the figure a 9.5 out of 10. It would be perfect if it wasn't for that one forearm issue that I had, but for right now, I might change the posing once I move into my new apartment, but for now, this is how he's going to stay. He did come with quite a few other accessories, like the robotic arm that looks super, super cool. Um, but yeah. You guys like that? The next video I have will probably be a quick look at my Black Panther figure, or it will be the deluxe hot toy that I've been waiting over a year and a half for. So, stay tuned.